So this is the Builder application where we'll be able to create the logic for the bot. First, we are going to connect to the repository in RPA Manager. Once connected, it will download the BPMN built in the design phase. For each element in the workflow, we'll create the steps the bot should perform in order to execute the task. I'm going to give you a quick overview of what I've done to automate this process. So I'm going to double click on the first element of my BPMN, which is login to Salesforce. So in here, we have the activity workflow, and then inside the transactions, you can see I dragged and dropped from the toolbox on the left of my screen here several action steps. So the first one, which is run program, will open the browser. Then the bot should set the credentials to be able to log in. For that, I created variables to restore the values for username and password. After that, I'm using image search action step, which will save the pattern the bot should looking for on the screenshots taken. So if I opened here, this is the pattern, username, the bot should looking for on this page. Following that, a mouse click action step take the mouse pointer to the text field where the bot will type the username, which is in here. And the same steps are performed afterwards for password. So moving on to the third element of my workflow, there's the steps to read the data from the spreadsheet and create the lead into Salesforce. And also send an email notification in case the data already exists in Salesforce or in case of error. For that, I'm using action steps under Excel operations. In here, I'm using control checks and also mail operations and so on, as we can see here. And after the bot has done with its job, it's time to do the cleanup. So the cleanup is a best practice. I think in terms of this bot will run again another different process. So the machine must be clear with no other screens or web pages open it. So it's just a best practice and to guarantee the good performance of the bot. So let's play and see what happens. Let me just open a new tab in here. Go to the RPA Builder and click on Run Process. Now the bot is going to log into Salesforce, typing the credentials, clicking Login. Okay, once the page is stable, you'll navigate to Leads tab. Now you'll look for the names, emails actually. So the first mail is Tanya Bolt. Tanya Bolt is already in there. So the bot should clean this box, search box, and look for another mail. This blossom isn't there, so the bot will create a new lead by filling out this form. Click on Save. Once the page is stable and a pattern is found, the bot will click on Leads again. There is nothing else on the spreadsheet. So now the bot is going to close it, logging out actually, and close everything. And in here, okay, this is the test run information telling me the business process has been successfully deployed and it's finished. Okay, let me just show you the mail notification I got as expected, telling me that the lead Tanya bot at mail.com already exists in Salesforce. So that's it. Thank you.